Practical number 13. Types of egg according to yolk. In exam, this practical weightage 2 marks. Question 5. Identify and describe 2 marks. First, we know type of egg. There are 2 parts. Type of eggs based on distribution of yolk. Second, type of eggs based on amount of yolk. First, we studied type of egg based on distribution of yolk. First, isolethical eggs. B. Telolethical egg. C. Centrolethical egg. D. Discoidal eggs. Then part 2, based on amount of yolk. A. Microlecithal eggs. B. Mesolecithal egg. And C. Megalecithal egg. Now we deeply studied about it. Hello everyone, Unit 4, Animal Behavior and Embryology. In this unit 4.4 Embryology, 4.41 Types of eggs according to yolk. For the embryo to develop inside a fertilized egg, nutrition is needed. The amount of food needed varies for different organisms. It normally depends on the duration of development. Due to accumulation of yolk, maturing egg rapidly increases in size. In amphibian, eggs yolk occurs in the form of large granules called yolk platelets. Chemically, the yolk platelets contain two main proteinous substances, namely phosphatin and lipovitellin. The amount of yolk is an important determining factor for the further patterns in embryological stages. The amount of yolk influencing cleavage and gastrulation methods. The eggs can be classified based on amount and distribution of yolk. Amount of yolk and eggs type. In certain animals, the development stages are not very elaborate. The final young one born may be very simple in structure and organization. Such conditions remain in animals like hydra, sea urchin, amphioxus, and placental mammals. Microlecithal. In the eggs of such organism, due to brevity of the growth period, the amount of yolk is much reduced. Such eggs are said to be microlecithal or oligolecithal. Mesolecithal eggs. In certain other animals, the eggs needed to release young ones in a more self-supportive condition. Hence, for such eggs, the amount of yolk is considerable in quantity. Such eggs with moderate amount of yolk are called mesolecithal eggs. Such eggs are produced by Annelida worms, mollusca and amphibians. Distribution of yolk. The pattern of cleavage and the consequent gastrulation process are affected by the distribution of yolk within the egg. According to the pattern of dispersal of yolk, the following eggs types had been identified: homolecithal or isolecithal eggs. Eggs of this type have the yolk dispersal in the entire cytoplasm. The distribution is somewhat uniform in animal, vegetal poles, and the equatorial region. In such eggs, the cleavage will be deeper and may bisect the eggs connecting the two poles. All microlecithal eggs have this nature. Telolecithal eggs. All eggs have polarity. In polarity, the eggs have an in nature for to be differentiated into upper animal pole and lower vegetal pole. The polar nature is mainly due to the denser material in the cytoplasm, namely yolk. The yolk in the egg will normally get connected in the vegetal pole, the cytoplasm with the nucleus with occupy the upper animal pole. The extent of vegetal pole is determined by the amount of yolk. Thus, the egg having a polarized distribution of yolk in the cytoplasm and referred to as telolecithal eggs. Mesolecithal egg and macrolecithal eggs remain as telolecithal eggs. Centrolecithal eggs. The egg need not be spherical always. In vertebrate animal, oval shape eggs and seen. The pattern of cleavage and further gastrulation also divide from that the vertebrates. In insect, the eggs are oval in shape and the yolk remains in the center of the eggs. However, the eggs echinoderm are similar to that of the vertebrate.